everyone, welcome back. Can you see something behind me? What do you think it might be? A red tractor? That's right. I'm out on the farm today and I thought that we could read a story out here. Now, it was really windy on our farm today and I wondered, was it windy at your house? And what types of things do you think we could do in the wind? I think that this story might show us a few things we can do with the wind. Shall we read it together? All right, here we go. This is called A Windy Day. It was a windy day on the farm. Oh no, everything's blowing around. But looks like they're having fun. Dad went to feed the horses and he gave them some hay. But the wind blew the hay away. Oh no. Gran went to feed the hens. Here they are, little chickens. She gave them some corn. There's her bucket full of corn. But the wind blew the corn away. Oh no. Grandad, here he is. He put the washing out on the washing line. What do you think's gonna happen? But the wind blew the washing into a tree. Oh no. Mum and Dad made everyone a nice cup of tea. I don't like windy days, says Gran. We can't do our jobs on windy days. Oh, that's no good. We can't do our job, says Josh, but we can fly my kite. Can you see? He's got a very colourful kite. They went outside and the wind blew and blew. It blew the kite up and up and Josh held on to the kite. Look at it go. That's a great idea, isn't it? The wind blew and blew and blew. It blew Josh up. They had to hold on to Josh. I like windy days, said Gran, and I like kites. What a great story. I'd love to know all the things that you can do in the wind. Okay, I'll see you next time. See you later.